what is your own definition of a political dynasty? Are you going to support or pass a bill that prohibits such?
Thank you for that question. Of course, we will support in the passage of a bill against political dynasty. Indeed, it is expressly provided for in Section 26, Article 2 of the Philippine Constitution that political dynasty shall be prohibited for the reason that the state shall guarantee equal access to opportunities for public service. That is why we have three branches of government. We have the court or the Supreme Court, we have the executive branch, and we have the legislative branch. If you concentrate power to only one family, members of one family, and give them the legislative and the executive, what will happen with what we call balance, check and balance in government? The effect is a monopoly of power. And, well, it has been found out that political dynasty breeds and aggravates corruption. Pobo Kosalan is from the Good Governance Alliance, and we are against corruption. You see, I belong to the fifth generation of elected officials. My great-great-grandfather served as Teniente del Barrio during the time of the Spaniards in the municipality of Bukod. My great-grandfather served as mayor of the municipality of Tublay. My grandfather served as elected mayor again of the municipality of Tublay. From my father's generation, one served as mayor and one served as municipal councilor, and many relatives. However, there was never a Mr. and Mrs. Kosalan who served at the same time. For the sake of Baguio, beloved people of Baguio, we are a people where we have a lot of promising, able, educated leaders. Let us look upon the young generation. Let us raise them up and let us give them chances. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you all.